Yo, what's poppin' on my goons worldwide? We back. Oh yeah, we right back in effect. We live and direct, we live, let's connect. Yo, something to blast off with a crazy fitness method gym today, alright? Yo, this gym is about how to get a fit body. Straight like that. How to get a fit body. This is a crazy hot topic. A lot of people want to know. It's trending right now. Everybody on social media, everybody want to have the best body they can get. Everybody want to be stunting for the gram, flexing, looking good. Everybody want to be looking fire out here. Want to enhance their image, all right? Well, I'm going to tell you how to do it. Straight like that. I did it, all right? I'm an authority on this. I wrote a book, Fitness Method from Fat Ass to Flat Abs. Check that out. It's on Amazon. And basically, I was like 300 plus pounds, all right? I done went to a rock solid 180. I even went lower than that to like 170 something, but you know, we stick around 180. All right, so I done muscled up and you know, little fluctuations. You know, you fluctuate a little bit here and there, but it's all good. So yo, 10% body fat, all gains. So the first thing you can do to get a fit body is you need to visualize the kind of body you want. So what you do is you need to go on the internet, just go make a Google search of a celebrity or somebody who's got the kind of body you want, you can see yourself with, okay? Start right there. Step one, find out what kind of body you want. And then you want to build your body according to what that body would be like, all right? So for me, I was a fat dude. I just wanted to get, you know, slim and muscular. But once the process started getting in motion, then I started tailoring the way I worked out to what kind of body I want. And I chose the body like a UFC fighter or, you know, like a lightweight boxer, lightweight UFC fighter, or like a sprinter, okay? Like an Olympic sprinter type of body, you know, that sort of body, you know, just pretty much all access, durable, ready for combat, you know, not too big and bulky, but full of power, full of speed. That's the kind of build that I wanted. So I tailor my workouts according to that body. So you want to work out according to that body. So for me to have that kind of body, I do heavy weight training. I lift weights. Me, I do 3-hour workouts a day. All right. So I'll do like 60-40, 60% of the weight training and then like 40% cardio. Maybe even 70-30, because I'll lift weights for 2 hours and then I'll do cardio for an hour. Alright? So that's how I ration that out. And basically you just kind of pick out the body you want, you know. So I stay fast, I stay sharp, you know, crazy endurance, you know, like a fighter would. And you know, I got the power too, because I lift weights, but I don't lift overly heavy to where, you know, I'm trying to max out all the time and stuff like that. No, you want to do a lot of reps. You know, I like a lot of heavyweight reps, but it's got to be reps that you can do like sets of 10, and I'll go up to 100. So 100 reps, you know, on the particular exercise for the body part that I'm working out, you know, the muscle group. And then I do cardio. I run. Personally, I like running. There's different kind of cardio you can do. You can do HIIT cardio. You can do bike riding. You can do Stairmaster. You can do ski machine, ellipticals. I like running. You know, that's my thing. So that's what I do. That's how I move with it. So pretty much, you know, that's how I'm moving with it. And I got the body that I envision. So I recommend you to see what kind of body you want. Visualize that first and work out towards that. If you want to be big, crazy, super dieseled up like Incredible Hulk, if I wanted a body like that, then I would probably do no cardio or very little, okay? And I would just eat like crazy, like a savage, and I would lift crazy heavy weights to where I'm getting muscle failure on my reps, like 3 reps to 5 reps maximum, and it's muscle failure. But I'm doing reps where it's, you know, 10 reps to muscle failure, 15 reps, even 20 on some exercises to muscle failure, you know? So you just tailor your workout to the body you want. And if you want to be like super skinny, super lean, you probably will do light weights, but higher reps, but way more cardio, you know? So you just kind of tailor what kind of body you want. Now, I went from bigger to smaller, 300 pounds to 180. So I went from bigger to smaller. All right. So that's what worked for me. And I pretty much have stuck with that for about a decade straight. All right. So I got the same workout routine for 10 years straight. I have not changed. I haven't deviated, and I've gotten good results. Okay. One thing too, you also need to watch the food. Watch how you eat. All right. Now, you want to eat a lot of food full of protein. I love steak, my favorite food to eat. So I eat a lot of steak, and I eat a lot of chicken and fish. And if you prepare the meals yourself, it's much cheaper than you think. Okay, I can get a steak dinner that'll fill me up 2 dinners worth. All right, 2 meals, steak dinner meals. Okay, could cost me like $5 or $6. All right, if you budget shop and you shop wisely and you prepare the food yourself. But if you're going out to restaurants, that could be $30. Okay, $40, $50 for the same meal that cost me $5. So as long as you prepare the food at your house, it's much cheaper. And plus, if you shop, the meat that's on sale and the vegetables that are on sale, stuff like that, then it's also going to be cheaper for you. And then pretty much you want to work out as much as you can. Honestly, I don't think you can overwork out. People say stuff like, oh, you got to be careful you don't overtrain. I think that's all a myth, and it's all some bullshit. And here's why. Because the average person doesn't train hard anyway. Straight like that. I work out 7 days a week, all right? I only take days off when I have to. Like if I run out of time because I'm too busy doing other things, or for some reason, some unforeseen reason, I can't make it to the gym, then I won't work out. But on the average, I'm doing 7 days a week, all right? I make a time sacrifice for it. Now, I've done 6 days a week, 5 days a week, 4 days a week. It all varies on your life schedule and stuff like that, But I don't think there's no such thing as overtraining. Like I said, I'm doing 7 days a week, and it's working for me. So, and people say you gotta rest. You do. I sleep. So that's rest to me, But as time goes by, you get stronger and you can last longer. So your endurance goes up, and what you can accomplish in the gym, you can accomplish more in a shorter period of time as time goes by, as you get stronger, as you get fitter. Okay? So what you want to do is just keep going. Whatever regimen is working for you, keep that up and try to add more, progressively add more. First, I started off doing 1 hour workouts, okay? I would work out 1 hour and be drained, okay? Then I was able to bump it up to 2 hours and then be drained. Now I can do 3 hours, no problem, and I'm still full of energy, okay? So I'm doing 3 hours a day, crazy full of energy. The most I ever worked out was 5 hours in a day. I even did 6, maybe a few times, but that was only because Arnold Schwarzenegger said he used to work out 6 hours a day in his book, Total Recall. And that was an excellent book. Anybody who reads books, check that out. Because I checked it out. He talked about how he got in, that freak shape, that grotesque sort of shape he got in when he was in Austria. He said he would work out 6 hours a day. So I said, well, let me try it. And I did it a few times. But, you probably be drained. It's going to take a lot of time. But that's what inspired me to do 3 hours a day. I said, well, if he can do 6 hours a day every day, then I could do 3. So, however you got to do it, just do it and get it done. And I promise you, you'll be glad you did. You'll start getting gains, and make sure your food intake is on point. You don't want to eat too much, all right? Don't eat too much. And you want to check the food you're eating, check the calories, calorie count, and you want to eat more protein and have less sugar. And if you're drinking alcohol, try to drink the least amount of alcohol possible, all right? Because it's all sugar. It all breaks down to sugar, all right? And plus you get hungover, tired, and it makes you not want to function and have a workout the very next day. So the best thing you can do is just have water and protein shakes, all right? Water, protein shakes, and energy drinks. I drink a lot of protein shakes, water, and energy drinks. That's pretty much all I drink now. And that if you just stay on the course, all right, you will get in shape. You'll start to see gains. Your clothes will start to fit better. You'll start to feel better. You'll start to look better. You'll start to vibrate on a higher vibration. Your moods will change, your moods will elevate, and you'll also get smarter too. So when you work out your body, you also work out your brain. You release dopamine in your brain, the feel-good chemicals, and it'll make you feel good. And it opens up different chambers and areas in your brain that make you function in ways you didn't think you could. It actually gives you superpowers, all right? So you can tap into your superpowers, the fitness method. So, yo, this is how you get in shape, all right? So, yo, if you found some value in this video, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with these crazy gems, crazy sauce, method, all kind of ways to win. So tap in, you heard? Fitness method. Let's get these gains, go crazy. You had a dream body you always dreamed of, you heard? Till next time, we out. Peace.